Imagine waking up on a beautiful day. Everything is quite as usual. You do everything normally. Missing your soon-to-be husband, you take your phone and make a lovely call. He picks up.
Hello?
But his reaction isn't as usual. Then he breaks up for no reason.
What?
Just weeks before your wedding, it hurts. It leaves you devastated. You are drowning in an ocean of despair. In a moment like this, all you need is someone you can talk to, someone you can trust. Suicide isn't an option. Life is a gift from God. Love it.
This message is brought to you by VNV Media Solutions Limited. Experts in video production, audio production, live streaming events, sound system for hire, and many more.